Once upon a time, in a small, cheerful village, lived a sweet little girl. She always wore a bright red hood, so everyone called her Little Red Riding Hood. One sunny morning, her mother said, "Take this basket of food to your grandmother, but remember, stay on the path and don't talk to strangers." Little Red Riding Hood skipped happily into the forest. Birds sang, butterflies danced, and the tall trees whispered in the wind. Suddenly, a sly grey wolf appeared from behind the trees. "Hello, little girl," he said with a cunning smile. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to visit my grandmother in the forest, bringing her some food." The wolf listened carefully, then pointed to a longer path filled with flowers. "Why not pick some for your grandmother?" The girl, excited, agreed. While Little Red Riding Hood picked flowers, the wolf ran quickly through the forest. He wanted to reach grandmother's house first. At last, the wolf arrived at a small wooden cottage. Smoke rose from the chimney, and inside, grandmother was resting peacefully. The wolf knocked, rushed inside, and swallowed grandmother whole. Then, he put on her clothes, pulled the blanket up, and waited in bed. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood opened the cottage door. "Grandmother, I brought you food," she said, smiling as she stepped inside. But something looked strange. "Grandmother, what big eyes you have," she whispered. "All the better to see you with," the wolf replied. "Grandmother, what big teeth you have," she said nervously. The wolf jumped out of bed, shouting, "All the better to eat you with." Just then, a brave woodsman burst through the door. With his axe, he chased the wolf away and saved Little Red Riding Hood. Grandmother was safe again, and Little Red Riding Hood hugged her tightly. From that day on, she promised to always listen to her mother.